When a snake tries to take a bird's eggs, it usually does so without much resistance. But this bird, called the pendulum tit, has a unique strategy to protect its eggs. It makes its nest hanging on the branch of a tree, ensuring that no predator can easily reach it. Even if a snake manages to reach the nest, it still can't get to the eggs because the nest appears to be empty. However, this is only a trick. The nest has two entrances leading to separate rooms. One room is designed to fool predators, and it's always left empty with its entrance open. The other room, where the eggs are safely kept, has a hidden entrance. This clever design keeps the bird's eggs and chicks safe from predators, including snakes, which are unaware of the secret compartment.